In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use PixVerse AI lip sync to create realistic talking videos in 2026. This feature lets you take a video or character, add an audio file, and automatically sync the lips to match the speech using AI. First, open PixVerse and log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, choose the lip sync, speech sync, or talking video option. This is the tool that controls mouth movement based on audio input. Next, upload your base video. This can be a talking head, AI character, or any short clip where a face is visible. Make sure your video is clear, well lit, and under the platform limits, usually around 30 seconds for best results. After that, upload your audio file or paste a script if PixVerse offers text to speech. The AI will analyze the sound, break it into phonetic patterns, and match it with the facial movements in your video. Now click Generate or Start Lip Sync. PixVerse will process your request and automatically adjust mouth, jaw, and facial movements to match the audio perfectly. The system uses advanced synchronization to align speech with frame-by-frame lip motion. Once the video is ready, preview the result. If the timing looks off, you can adjust strength, expression, or sync settings and regenerate for better accuracy. Finally, download your video in HD and use it for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or AI content creation. That's how you do PixVerse AI lip sync in 2026. Quick, easy, and perfect for creating talking AI videos without editing skills.